Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Winter might be rolling in, but that doesn't mean your garden has to lose its charm. In today's video, we're going to explore affordable and creative winter gardening ideas that will transform your backyard into a cozy haven for wildlife, even in the coldest months. So, if you're ready to create your own winter wonderland without breaking the bank, stick around till the end. Let's start with the basics, preparing your garden. The first thing you'll want to do is clear out any fallen leaves and debris, but don't throw them away. Pro tip 1. Create a leaf pile in a corner of your garden. These make fantastic natural shelters for small animals like hedgehogs and insects. Plus, as they decompose, they'll enrich the soil. Pro tip 2. Spread mulch over your garden beds. Mulch acts as a blanket for your plants, protecting the soil and roots from frost, while also keeping moisture in. And here's the best part, use things like shredded newspaper or even pine needles as budget-friendly mulch. Winter can be tough on our little garden visitors, so let's make sure they have plenty of food options. DIY bird feeders. One of the easiest ways to attract birds is by creating homemade bird feeders. Take an old empty milk carton, cut out a hole, fill it with birdseed, and hang it on a tree branch. Peanut garland. Use some twine and thread unsalted peanuts to create a peanut garland for squirrels and birds. Hang these around your garden for a natural festive touch. Suet cakes. Want to treat your garden visitors? Mix up some suet, seeds, and dried fruit and press it into a mold. Freeze it overnight, then hang it up. Birds will love this high-energy treat. A winter garden doesn't have to look bare. Here are some affordable plant options that add color and shelter for wildlife. Evergreens. Small, potted evergreens like junipers or boxwood can thrive in winter and provide year-round greenery. They also give birds a safe place to roost away from the cold winds. Winterberry and holly. These bushes are not only beautiful with their bright red berries, but they also provide food for birds during the winter. You can find small varieties at your local garden center for a reasonable price. Grasses and seed heads. Leave your ornamental grasses and flower seed heads untrimmed through the winter. They add a stunning frosty look to your garden and provide seeds for birds. Plus, they can be a cozy hiding spot for insects. Winter is all about providing cozy shelters for wildlife. Here's how you can do it on a budget. Build a log pile. Stack some fallen branches and logs in a corner of your yard. It's a simple and cost-free way to create shelter for frogs, toads, and insects. DIY bug hotel. Use an old wooden box, fill it with pine cones, hollow stems, and pieces of bark, and place it in a sheltered spot. This will attract ladybugs and bees, providing them with a safe place to rest during the cold months. Birdhouses. Consider adding a few birdhouses around your yard. You can make them yourself from scrap wood or buy affordable ones online. Birds like wrens and chickadees will appreciate the extra shelter. Bring a magical touch to your winter garden with some simple lighting ideas. Solar-powered lights. Opt for solar-powered garden lights or fairy lights. They're budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and require no extra wiring. Drape them over shrubs or along fences for a soft glow that will turn your garden into a winter wonderland. DIY lanterns. You can make lanterns using old glass jars. Place a tea light inside and line them along garden paths. It adds a charming touch and is a great way to reuse items you might already have at home. To keep your winter garden looking its best, here are some quick and easy maintenance tips. Watering. Make sure to water your garden during dry spells. Yes, even in winter. Just remember to do it during the warmer parts of the day to avoid freezing the soil. Keep bird baths ice-free. Birds still need access to water even in winter. Use a simple floating object, like a ping pong ball, to keep a small section of your bird bath ice-free. Check on your shelters. Make sure that leaf piles and log stacks stay intact after strong winds or snowfalls. It's a small task that can make a big difference for your garden visitors. And there you have it, folks. With a few simple steps and a little creativity, you can turn your backyard into a winter wonderland that's perfect for wildlife and looks stunning all season long. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening content, and drop a comment below if you've got any winter gardening ideas of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!